Hey, let me show you all camera settings and features that you can find on the Redmi 15. So if you try to purchase this device, I'm gonna show you everything. Let's start first from the settings. And in the settings, we got photo mode, we can find watermark, and we can find default watermark theme. Like this one. We can also add time, device model, but of course we can turn it off. We can find option to add custom text and change watermark position. Next, we can also find AI recommendations for scanning QR codes and orientation. Over here, we can find automatic night mode detection. We can change picture quality. We can turn on and off this mirror front selfie camera feature, and we can change and we can activate some shutter type features, like we can tap to take the photo. We can use our palm to take selfies. We can use audio shutter by saying cheese, we can take the photos, and we can find additional shutter. We can drag the shutter button to create an additional floating button. Now by going to the video, we can change video encoder like this, automatic frame rate. In the general settings, we can find grid lines, 2 of them. We can add center mark, straighten. Here we can find some preserve settings like camera modes, beautify, filters, night mode, exposure compensation. Here we can even change the camera UI colors. So now, as you can see, everything that is selected as active, it will change the color. Just over here, I will bring this a little bit closer to the camera so you can find out what I'm talking about. Now we can go to the shutter sound and we can change its sound. We can find 4 default sounds. We can also change function of the volume buttons. We can use them as a shutter delay, as normal shutter, or as a zoom. And here we can also take photos or videos with screen off. We can also find location tags. We can turn on and off the shutter sound. And over here we can change anti-bending. We can also turn it off. We can check for camera software update, and we can reset settings. Now by going here, we can find the flashlight. We can find Google Lens. There we go. Over here we can find HDR, aspect ratio. We can also find camera timer 3, 5, and 10 seconds. And when we go to the video mode, we can find Full HD, HD, and only in the 30 frames per second, even for HD. Now we can find Ultra HD mode. By going to the right side, we got portrait mode, night mode, time-lapse. We can change time-lapse speed, duration, some parameters like exposure and stuff like this. And that's basically everything.